Welcome back everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix any error or any problem associated with Microsoft Office. So this video is for educational purpose only and does not involve any illegal activity. By the end of this video your problem will be solved. So if you found that your problem is fixed at the end of this video, please like as well as subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, let us make it happen. To solve this error, first you should go to the local C drive. So as you see here, click on this, then find program files and click on the program files. Here, click on the Microsoft Office. Then here you will find Office 16, click on that. After this, you should run the OSP PREARM app as administrator 3 times. You should run it as administrator 3 times. After that, you will solve your problem temporarily. But if you want to solve the problem or fix the problem permanently,
please, it's highly recommend to visit the official Microsoft website directly for support and help.